Welcome to our 6th Kotlin tutorial. And in this tutorial I'll be talking about Kotlin data types, the data types of variables. So in every programming language we have variables, and those variables have some data type. So data type is actually used to tell the compiler that how much space you have to reserve for this variable. And in Kotlin we can declare variable as using the var keyword, and then we will have the name of the variable, for example marks, and then to specify the data type of this variable you have to put a colon and then the name or the data type that you want to assign, that you want that this variable should have. For example, I am going to use byte. So here let me tell you something. In Kotlin we have some data types, some built-in data types, which are numbers, then we have characters, and then booleans and arrays or strings. And the number data type contains six more types, and that are byte, then we have integer, then short, long, double, and float. So byte is a data type which contains values from -127 to 128. For example, here if I type 20, now 20 is assigned to variable marks, which is of data type byte. And if I type, the range of the byte data type is from -127 to 128. And if I try to store value greater than 128 or less than -127, an error will be generated. For example, here if I type 129, here you can see that this 129 value is underlined. So if I run the program, an error will be generated. So this error is the integer literal is the variable. The integer literal does not conform to the expected type byte. This means that the value stored in the marks variable is not in the range of the byte data type. So then we have another data type, that is int, which is mostly used, and this int contains values from -2 raised to power 31 to 2 raised to power 31 minus 1. Again we have another data type short, which can store values from -32767 to -32768 to +32768. So this is how you can use data types, and you can create variables of different data types in Kotlin. So thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. And if you want to study more data types of Kotlin, then you can visit my written tutorial. So I'll see you in the next tutorial.